Hey, I know your pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. In the following minutes, I'll show you how I was able to transform my life. Watch this closely and thank me after that.
Hey, it's Michael Mansell, and I'm really glad that you're on this page. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what products that you're purchasing with Easy One-Up and the little known secrets of the internet marketing industry that a lot of leaders do not want to share with you. And I'm just going to spill the beans here and tell you exactly what the norm is for newbies, especially getting started online, and why it is that people struggle so much just to start making money online. Okay, so I'm going to log into my own back office here because the first thing I want to lead with is by example. The income is absolutely real in Easy One-Up. People are really generating $100, $500, $1,000 a day in Easy One-Up. And I just wanted to give you a little glimpse of what I've personally accomplished by leveraging Easy One-Up. One income disclaimer I'm going to put here is that I've applied myself, I've taken action, and I've really helped my people take action as well, which has helped generate me quite a bit of income. So the examples that I'm showing you here are just that. They're an example of what is possible. If you do not take action, apply the simple strategies that I teach you guys, your results will absolutely vary. But I do want to give you some proof. So let me log in here to my back office and show you exactly what I have earned here with Easy One-Up. So as you can see right here, I have earned $348,525 in the last year and a half or so with Easy One-Up. And I've done that by leveraging the amazing products with inside of Easy One-Up, but also helping my people generate a lot of income as well. And that's where that success has come from. Let me take you and show you a little bit more breakdown here of the actual product sales that have been made. So as you can see here that this program is absolutely converting, and not just at a small level. People are finding confidence in the process, in the products that they're purchasing, and the system to help them generate income online. And as you can see here, I'm getting multiple $1,000 signups. And this is just the one product level that I'm showing you examples of here, but this is absolutely converting when it comes to the commissions that I'm receiving. And remember, this is 100% commission. So this is $1,000 commissions that I'm receiving every time somebody is signing up. And I could show you endless amounts of my own team members' commissions that they're making as well. And you'll see some of their testimonial videos on this page as well. So there's a little bit of just income proof. Again, your results are going to vary depending on your level of action that you take and applying the strategies that I teach you inside of my team group and the products that you're purchasing from Easy One-Up. So let's just jump right in here into the Easy One-Up products, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what you're purchasing with this program, because one of the first things you need to analyze with any online marketing business is there a real product? Am I actually purchasing something, or am I just giving money to my sponsor who's giving commissions to somebody else, and so on and so forth? So it is absolutely essential that any online marketing program that you join, there needs to be some type of actual product. So with Easy One-Up here, the products are very, very key. These products on this page, there's various levels that you can join at, the lowest level being $25 and the highest level is $1,000. So in elevation level, you're going to learn the basics of network marketing and business. These are great instructional videos. It's going to break down various information related to how to create a lead capture page, email cultivation, how to scale your online marketing business. And then affiliate marketing kickstart video series as well. So you get a lot of good information in this starter level, but let's move on to the elevation elite level, which is $100. This goes a little bit deeper into YouTube strategies, organic traffic generation strategies on YouTube, intro to social media, copywriting conversion, Google+. I mean, a lot of basic social media marketing strategies. And then the next level is $250. This is the Vertex level. And in this, you're going to get advanced digital business videos. And inside here, you're going to find everything from business systems, how to create an irresistible offer, list building, traffic secrets, a few more affiliate marketing strategy videos. And then the two most popular levels is going to be Vertex Elite and Vertex Pro. So Vertex Elite is $500. In this level, you're going to not only get all the previous levels that I just went through included, but you're also going to get some additional strategy videos that is going to really be targeted around how to drive traffic to your business online, how to spend little to no money on that traffic, and how to keep that traffic sustained. And then one of the most popular levels of all is the Vertex Pro level. There's a couple reasons why this level is so popular. One is because you get all of the previous levels I just went over, all the previous product levels included for the $1,000. So rather than having to pay each level, piecemeal them together and pay all that money one by one, you can go right for the top level product, get all the previous level products included, and get these additional amazing products included, which is going to really further jump into your business online, including how to become a coach online, Facebook ad strategies, recruitment strategies, how to attract people to your business online. And this product level is called the Vertex Pro Connect level. One additional bonus that you're going to get with this is a program that is developed by a guy named Max Steingard, and that level this product level is going to include his endless lead system, which he actually sells outside of Easy One Up for $2,000. So you're getting a huge value for coming in at $1,000 level. So this is the product with inside of Easy One Up. Choose the level that's right for you. I never recommend people to purchase a level that is more than that you can afford. So go with the level that you can afford, but I am going to break down a couple additional bonuses that I offer at the $500 level and the $1,000 level. One of the big things that is not talked about online, or really told truthfully online, is the reality of traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood. It's the essential core element of any online business in order to be successful, and you need traffic. And one of the biggest struggles I see newbies especially having online is the inability to effectively drive traffic to their new business. You're all excited, you've just purchased a program like Easy One Up here, and you think that maybe the sales will just magically start flowing in. The reality, of course, is that's just not true. You need to be able to market your business, drive traffic to your sales page, and then have that sales page convert that traffic for you. So that's what I want to be very, very transparent with you guys about, is the reality that you need traffic in order to sell product. So with Easy One Up, here's the simple concept. You purchase these products, say for instance, you purchase the Vertex Elite level for $500, and now you own that product to not only use yourself, but you also own the resale rights. That's why you're going to pay a small admin fee when you purchase these products. And each product has a different admin fee level associated with it, about 10% that you're going to pay. And what that does is it gives you the resale rights for that product level. So if you own the $500 product level and you've paid your $50 admin fee, now you have the ability to go out and sell that product to anybody you want, and you get a 100% of that commission. You sell it for $500, you make $500 straight to your bank account, straight to the place where you're accepting payments online. And that's awesome. But you still need to get that traffic sent to that page. And that's where I wanted to really bridge the gap and not only state very honestly that you need to drive traffic in order to make this type of commissions that we show you here in this program, but also offer you a solution to actually get that traffic right out of the gate. And I've done that with my traffic rotator. Now, why a traffic rotator? Well, it's not just about driving traffic, but it's also about attracting that traffic to your offer and then converting that traffic. And one of the big things that you might have seen online is leaders like myself who have built up a following over the years. We've generated tons of sales and have the track record and the proof, as I've shown you here in this video, that we are able to sell products online, generate the traffic, convert that traffic into sales and commissions. And show that to other people, and of course that attracts people to join with us. But I didn't want you guys to have to compete with me. I wanted to be able to build a system that you guys could leverage to make sales for yourself. And I've done that in two ways. First and foremost, all of the bonuses listed on this page here, if you join with myself or with anybody else in my team that's already inside of Team Mansell, you get to leverage all of these bonuses as if they were your own. Now you don't have to compete with me. Now you don't have to compete with the other leaders out there in our industry that are offering their own bonuses. You can start right out of the gate with your own bonuses to separate yourself from other online marketers that are either not offering bonuses or don't have the level of bonuses that we get to offer here inside of Team Mansell. So that's one thing that I wanted to state very clearly. The second thing here is kind of break down the process of how that actually works in a normal fashion. So for example, you join XYZ company, you're all excited, you have a product that you can sell, and you go out there and start telling your friends about it, you start posting about it on Facebook, social media, maybe you make YouTube videos about it, and this is exactly what happens. Somebody's gonna go, they're gonna go see that offer that you're promoting, and they know you, but they're like, man, I really gotta check this thing out. He says that Easy One Up is working, but I'm gonna go Google him. I'm gonna go to YouTube and search for Easy One Up reviews. And guess what happens? They're going to find some other person that has positioned themselves well in the search results, who's probably offering bonuses, who's probably, maybe, has a more infectious personality, maybe has a more leadership type presence to them. And they're going to say, you know what? I know my friend John is the one that introduced me to this, but this person is going to give me so much more value that I believe is going to help me really launch and jumpstart my business. So I'm going to go ahead and just join with them because I want all of their bonuses. And that's what happens. That's the reality of it when it comes to online marketing. So in order to level the playing field and really help the people that don't have their bonuses lined up, that don't have a support system, don't have a team group already, I wanted to level that playing field and really help you guys bridge that gap that you've probably been struggling for months and even years, trying to get past that initial hurdle. So this is what you're going to get by joining Easy One Up through this page to help you sell your product. You're going to get all the bonuses that are listed on this page, and you're going to get the ability to offer those bonuses right out of the gate to anybody else that you refer to purchase the Easy One Up products from you. Secondarily, I have set up a traffic rotator that's going to help you jumpstart your business and start getting traffic to your business right away. So when you click the link below here, you may not be joining directly with me, but don't worry about it. If you're coming through this page, you're joining with somebody on my team that certainly deserves the sale and the commission, and you're going to get all the same bonuses as if you had joined directly with me. So when you click that join button, it doesn't say my name, don't worry about it. Join with that person, they're going to get the commission, and you're going to get all the same bonuses as if you had joined directly with me. So think about that. You're going to start getting traffic sent to your link, your sales page, and I have a beautiful quick start guide after you sign up here that's going to walk you through the steps of how to get set up on the rotator, how to set up your traffic link, how to set up this very same sales funnel that you're on right now that you can start sending traffic to right away on your own, and additionally get free traffic sent from my traffic rotator. And I spread it out evenly across all of my team members that are in the traffic rotator, and it's working extremely, extremely well. So be sure to click the link below here to get started right away and start leveraging my bonuses, leverage my system, leverage my team group, leverage my branding. But the key is to take action. So that's where you're at now. You need to take action. Choose what level you want to join at. Now keep in mind, the traffic rotator that I just mentioned, it's only for the $500 and the $1,000 level. So if you can afford to join one of those levels, join at that level because you're going to really jumpstart your business. You're going to start getting that free traffic sent to you right away. Click the link below, create your Easy One Up account, make your product purchase, and then the person that you join with, if it's not myself, they're going to send you a private link to my team group that is going to walk you through all the steps. And let me just show you a little glimpse here of that team group. This here is the back office of my team group, and inside the educational area, I'm going to give you a personal video welcoming to my team and a walkthrough. And then inside of here, inside of the Easy One Up Quick Start guide, you're going to be walked through exactly the steps you need to take to get your system completely set up and running. And I don't like long-winded instructional videos. This video is a little bit long because I'm trying to give you all the information. But when it comes to getting set up, I like to give you information in really 6 to 10 minute digestible videos that can help you get up and running quickly. And then from there, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your sales funnel, how to start generating free traffic from the traffic rotator if you're at the $500 or $1,000 level. And then further on, I've got pretty much everything you need in terms of questions you might have. I've created a video that will help you get up and running. So you don't have to wait on me, and you don't have to really wait on your sponsor if it's not myself to get up and running with Easy One Up. So scroll down this page, look at the additional bonuses and information you get, but then the most important thing is click that link to join Easy One Up and Team Man Sell today and get yourself in that traffic rotator and let's get you into profit. I mean, that's what we're here doing online. I've been personally doing it for many years here now, and I'm teaching everything that I know to my team group as a bonus for joining not only Easy One Up, but Team Mansell today. So I look forward to seeing you inside of our community and giving you a shout out for joining our team.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.